So this question, here, it says what? What do you have to do in this question?
Write expressions for the perimeters of the following shapes.
Write expression for the perimeter, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So what does that mean by the word perimeter?
The outside of the shape.
What specifically does it mean by the outside of the shape?
The calculus at the end.
The total length.
Yeah.
So outside of the shape, you're on the right track. The total length around the shape.
Alright.
Okay? Do we know what this is?
That's the
3.
3.
Right. So perimeter is all of these lengths. And what are you going to do? What operation would you do with all those lengths?
In multiply. Well, something multiplies them.
Is that
I mean, what you add them.
you add them, right? That's the total distance. If I said I went from here to here, okay? That's the total distance, isn't it? I'm not going to multiply them, am I? So if I said I walked 3 meters that way and then 5 meters this way, what's the total distance I walked? 8 meters, right? So that's what this question is saying. It's saying, what's the total distance around this shape? You don't multiply the numbers, are you? No. Okay? So you've got to be very careful with what you're saying and what you're thinking and what you're going to do. You're thinking about area. That's why you're saying multiply. Now, we know that there is 3. Yeah? What are you going to add it with?
The x.
Okay, let's go in order. So we know this is 3. Let's go this way.
2x. I mean 2y.
Okay, be very careful, yeah? So plus 2y. What's the next thing? So you've done this, you've done this,
Plus x.
plus x. What I like to do is just
1.
put a tick next to it. Why would I put a tick next to it?
So you know you've done it.
I know I've done it, right? So next thing, what am I going to multiply? Sorry, add.
Add y.
Y. So if I just do it in random order, I might make a mistake. If I do it in this way or this way, I know I've covered all the lengths. What's the next thing am I going to add? Which one? This one, yeah?
Yeah.
What's this length equal to?
3 times x to the third.
So what did we say? If I said I
just 3 plus 3 plus
3 plus what?
3 plus 3.
So this is 3.
Yeah.
And what's this length here?
X, so 3 plus x.
Exactly. You're not doing 3 times x, are we?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're going to be doing 3 plus x. Great, you've done this. You've got to be very careful. This is 3, this is x. What does the question say? The total distance. Now, what are we going to do next? Have we covered all the distances?
No, 2y plus y.
Right, well done. And you notice that you're not going to multiply it. So it's going to be 2y plus y. 2y plus y. This looks a bit hectic, doesn't it? How can you avoid making an error?
Simplify.
Okay, before simplifying, what would you suggest to do?
Add them. And then
Yeah, add them. Add what together?
Add the.
What are you going to add?
Add the like terms.
Like terms, right. But before you add the like terms, circle your like terms. So, do we have another like term for 3? In here, is there another like term to 3?
The other 3?
The other 3, well done. Great. Is there any other like terms? No. Okay. Now, what you want to do is circle the like terms for y. So square, I've put a square. Okay.
And then the other y?
Yep. Brilliant. And is there another y?
There's a 2y.
Yep.
And then another y.
Right, okay. Now, we can see the x's are the ones that are left over. I'm just going to leave that. Okay. Then, I'm going to put them next together. Next to one another. When you get to year 9, year 10, year 11, and 12, some people can just add them together. But you're in year 8, and we need to take our time on that. Okay? So you're going to go 3 plus 2y. Now I'm bringing my like terms. What am I going to do with my like terms? I'm bringing
You're
them.
gonna add them.
Yeah, but I'm bringing them. What am I doing in this step?
Simplify.
No.
You're bringing them
Bringing them what?
close.
Close together. Correct. Yeah, because if it's here and here, I have to keep looking here and here, I might make a mistake. So we're gonna bring them together. So 3 plus 3 plus 2y plus this y plus this 2y plus this y. Okay, now what do I have to add next?
The 3 plus 3.
Yep, I've already done that. And this is why I said,
6.
sorry, no, what's anything else? Any other terms?
No, there's
X.
x.
So we got this x, is there any other
There's
x's?
one y.
Okay, great. This looks much more clearer than this.
Yeah.
But it's very important to bring your like terms together. Okay, this is at a year 8 level, so you're going to be functioning like this. Okay, so here, 3 plus 3, what's that going to be?
6
6. Then what are you going to do?
plus 6y
So that's 2y plus this 1y is 3y, 3y plus this 2y is 5y, 6y. Well done. Plus what else?
plus 2x.
Well done. That's your answer. That's the perimeter. So this process first involved looking at this shape, figuring out what is perimeter firstly, asking yourself, what does perimeter mean? That's what you got to first do.
Yeah.
Some people go straight into finding the area. No. You got to be very careful. Once you know what that word means, perimeter, then you're like, okay, it's a total distance. Either you're going to go this way or you go this way. And you tick each one that you've done.
Oh.
Then you're like, okay, cool. I've already written down all the lengths. These are all lengths. Then you write it down and you bring your like terms together. Then you add them. Why do you add them?
Because it makes it easy. Because you have to simplify it.
Okay, why else do you add them? What does this question involve?
It says in the simplest form.
Right, in the simplest form, but why do we add all these lengths together?
It's perimeter.
Correct. Because the question said perimeter. So we're adding all the lengths together. That's why we've added all of them.
Right.
Okay, so you want to remember, but not only remember, but understand why are we adding them? Why are we doing what we're doing? It's very important.
Right. Thank you.
No worries.